Welcome guys, today I'm with Cubot P50 and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks for this device. So at the first, just open the camera application and we can start from the photo mode. When we are here, we can take photos by using the volume button. Volume up and down, take a look, press it once and you can take photos. When you click on the screen, and you got this icon, you can adjust brightness level. So we can decrease or increase the brightness level and adjust it for currently lighting condition outside or inside. It depends where you are taking the photo. You can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. I think that it's time to go smoothly for the settings, so we have to click in this place. And as you can see right here, we can also find a few useful options. The first one will be the volume keys. So as you can see, currently it's set up to take photo, but we can also switch to use it as a zoom. So right now when you use volume buttons, with the volume up we can zoom in, and with the volume down we can zoom out. You can also make it by pinching screen with your two fingers. When you go back for the settings, we can also enable self-timer between 2 or 10 seconds. So right now when you click on the shutter, after this countdown, the photo will be taken. And the last option from the settings that will be probably useful for you, it's the grid line. As you can see right now on the screen, you can find this grid lines, and the grid lines help us to take better composition of the photos. So for example, if you want to take a photo of this old cell phone and you want to get it in the middle of your photo, with these lines you can make it definitely easier. Okay, we can also open extra modes by going right here. And as you can see, for example, we can get the filter mode. We can find here a few presets. As you can see, they change color and the temperature on our preview. And if you want to get, for example, the vivid filter, just click on the shutter when you select it and the photo will be taken. Okay, and I think that's all for this smartphone. That's all camera tricks that I can recommend you. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.